We're going to find the volume of the solid pictured here, and note that it's not drawn in perfect proportion. Give the answer in cubic feet, use 3.14 for pi, and round to the nearest thousandth. Now we have a cylinder. The height of the cylinder is given in feet, 18 feet, and the diameter is given in inches, 3/4 of an inch. Now we know that the formula for the volume of a cylinder is the area of the base times the height of the cylinder, and to find the area of the base we need the radius of the base rather than the diameter. So let's begin by finding the radius of the base. We know that the radius is equal to the diameter divided by 2, or half the diameter. So here we have 3/4 inch over 2, and this is 3/4 inch times the reciprocal of 2 times 1/2, and 3/4 times 1/2 is 3/8. So the radius of the base is 3/8 inch. Now we want to give the answer in cubic feet, and this dimension is in inches, so we now need to convert this to feet. We say that 3/8 inch is equal to 3/8 inch times, and I'm going to write 1 in the form of 1 foot over 12 inches. 1 foot is equal to 12 inches, so these represent the same measure, and that's a form of 1. And what I have now is 3 over 8 times 12, and then I have inches over inches, and times 1 foot. Inches over inches is equal to 1, so I have 3 over 8 times 12, which is 96 feet. And I can simplify that. 3 I can write as 3 times 1, and 96 I can write as 3 times 32. So I have, removing 3 over 3, which is 1, I have 1/32 foot for the radius of the base. Now we need to find the volume of the cylinder. And remember, we said that the volume is equal to the area of the base times the height. And the area of the base is the area of a circle. It's pi times the radius squared, and then we need to multiply by the height of the cylinder. Substituting 3.14 for pi, I say that this is approximately equal to 3.14 times, and instead of squaring the radius, I'm going to use it as a factor 2 times, times 1/32 foot times 1/32 foot, and the height was 18 feet. So let's see what we have. We have 3.14 times 1 times 1 times 18, so I'm just going to write that as 3.14 times 18, and here I have 32 times 32. And I have feet times feet times feet, so I have feet cubed. And when I do this computation, I find that it's approximately equal to 0.055, and that's cubic feet.